They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's everyone doing out there? Sound from Complex Ambition, giving you another episode here of Sneakers by Sound Sneakers, an unboxing review and reaction to a new pair of shoes that I just got in from overseas, from the UK. These are called the Nike MK2 or M2K Tekno. I believe it's designed by John Elliott. I'm not political with this shit. I keep it straightforward. All I know is the shoe's fucking amazing. I received them today. I saw them in person. I fell in love with the shoe. It's actually a size 7 in men. I believe 8.5 or something like that in women's. We're gonna show you up close when I get them right now. But the shoe's amazing, man. Phenomenal shoe. The M2K model, the Tekno model, was promoted by John Elliott a couple months back to come out in a plain beige colorway, along with the black colorway. Both of those colorways already are released. I was able to get my hands on a white colorway, resold it already. Not my size, so I would have kept it though. It's hard to get because these are women's shoes technically, but you have to size up if you're a man, obviously. If you didn't know that, I don't know what you're talking about. And we also had a pink colorway that dropped, called it Supreme Monarch, something like that. They have a Monarch vibe. You know what I'm saying? The dad shoe vibe, the original dad shoe, the Monarchs. You guys are familiar with them. You can get them at any store for $30 or around there. Pretty cheap shoe if you're interested in buying them. Customize them, do whatever you want. I recommend that myself personally, because this pair right here, even though it doesn't fit me, I might have to keep forever just to look at it. Seriously. You know what I'm saying? I'm not signed by any of these companies. This is not me being... It's not me being false advertising. Oh shit, look at the Adidas box. I just pushed that shit. I don't care about any of these companies. They don't care about me. Or maybe they do if they... No, but if you guys do, I mean, damn, I'm ruining my chances. Let's get to the shoe, man. It came from Offspring UK. If you guys are not familiar with Offspring, go check them out. Here we have it. Regular Nike box. All the Nikes I've been getting lately have been coming in this box, obviously. Here we have kind of like that UK thing. The M2K Tekno. US sizing. All that stuff. So it is an 8.5, like I said, in women's. But the box is kind of different texture. It's not glossy. They tend to be glossy. I remember these being glossier. But let's get into it, man. A lot of paper from overseas, all this international bullshit, receipt, etc. Throw that shit away. We're getting into the fucking shoe. Woo! I believe John Elliott designed these bad boys, and if you did, John, I'ma hug the shit out your wife, your mother, whatever. John, look at this, people. I mean, just look at it. Plastic back here. First of all, you can't hear it. I thought you could hear it, but you get the point. Plastic. Here's a hit of blue, the hit of red, the Nike swoosh, another swoosh. You know what I'm saying? Another swoosh at the front. I'm gonna get up close, but I'm just gonna give you guys a count of the swoosh. You know what I'm saying? 2 more swooshes over here on this side. You know what I'm saying? Another swoosh at the bottom. They're killing it with the swooshes. Swoosh, swoosh, I guess. Man, I want to show you guys. Let's get these. So first off bat, one of the things I mainly recognize is the fact that Adidas box is behind the shoe. Adidas, not today, Drake. So here we have the shoe. Obviously a Monarch foundation. Fundamental Monarch shoe with the additions applied to it. But here we have it, man. Amazing. You guys tell me. Look at the sole. Bulky ass sole, but I love it. I love it. Look at that. The leather stitching, extra stitching on the toe. The laces, bulky old school laces, similar to those Cyrus laces or the Monarch laces. You get all those vibes. You gotta respect it though. Here we have the heel tab. I believe this is reflective, and if it is, I might come in my pants. Sorry. Look at this. You know what I'm saying? The bottom, that's the Monarch bottom. Regular bottom. Swoosh on the sole. They're killing with the swooshes, people. I think they're making a swoosh takeover with these. On the beige pair I received is the tongue. If you look at the tongue, it just has a regular Nike reading logo. I'm surprised the US hasn't gotten these yet. Kind of US vibe, but I guess you can say the England vibe with the flag. but these are phenomenal, man. These are phenomenal. If you guys don't agree, I don't know what you're thinking. You're obviously wrong. I'm not gonna argue with you. You're just wrong. But look at these, man. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Remember, these are just shoes. No, they're not. Forget about all that inspirational talk. This is an amazing piece of work. People, what is going on? Seriously, though. Like, I really have a fascination for these shoes. And I'm going to show you guys in the photo, the material's not even plastic. It's just like cushiony. It's like a bed. These are seriously something else. These are serious. People, are you guys... And I feel like kids would love these. Little kids would love these. My God. Whew. Double trouble. Double trouble. I'm getting a boner.
Okay, out on my wrist, kinda been spinning. Man at the coop, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top.